Did you know that the automobile and parts manufacturing industry is constantly grappling with complex challenges that can hinder efficiency and innovation? First, the vast amount of documentation required for quality assurance processes like APQP and PPAP can be overwhelming, consuming valuable time and resources. Second, maintaining consistency and standardization across various teams and departments often leads to discrepancies and errors. And third, staying compliant with ever-changing quality standards and regulations poses a continuous challenge. Introducing PDCA Solutions, a revolutionary platform designed to transform continuous improvement through AI. Our platform assists organizations in enhancing all standard QA documents such as Control Plans and PFMEAs, ensuring your processes are streamlined, consistent, and up-to-date with industry standards. Empower your team with PDCA Solutions and take a giant leap towards smarter, faster, and more reliable product development. Revolutionize your continuous improvement practices with the power of AI. Visit us at pdca.solutions to learn more about how PDCA Solutions can drive your success. Transform your quality planning today.